Presenting. Huh?
What is this?
Why is it nighttime?
I don't know. I don't care.
Why am I filming a video at 8 o'clock p.m.? I mean 8 p.m.
Yes.
But let's just get into it. This is the Mountain Railway!
Oh my god.
7 Lego men with 1 child. And then they ride the thing. This guy is gonna ride. Whoa! This is so fun! Whoa! Let's get out. No, this is too much fun! I'm going in. Oh, he cannot fit in. I'll do it. Whoa. Whoa! Wait, I see something in the mountain. What? What? I should go investigate. Hey, there is something behind the mountain. Hey, there's something in the mountain. What? The mountain? Yes. Yes, there is something in the mountain. If only there was something good enough to explode a mountain. Oh, here it is. TNT. We place the TNT down. Child, can you please move out? Sorry, I know you love this car too much, but you're gonna have to get out for a moment. No! And then I hit it. Run! Run! Yo, I did a lot of progress. Yo, I got access to the chest. Let's bring back the chest. Finally, I got the chest. Let's open! Wait,
What's inside?
only 2 potatoes and 1 wheat.
Oh my god.
I worked so hard for these just 1 freaking thing. Why is it just 1 wheat and 2 potatoes? I guess we just eat it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And bye!